Hey gang, Jesse here, EC Auto Repair. And so on this particular Honda Pilot, it came in with a bad misfire, bad miss. I'm not actually sure. Let me see if I can grab the mileage for you guys. I don't remember the mileage on this one. Okay, it has 159,000 miles on it. My suspicion is going to be that these spark plugs, I'm not sure if they've ever been changed or not. They probably have because they're Autolite. I do not believe Honda comes from the factory with Autolite spark plugs. They're going to come with a NGK or I believe NGK is what they come with from the factory. But what has happened is you see the excessive gap in the end of that. That gap is too drastic, right? Especially when you compare them side by side. Now we are looking for the eggshell brown color, clean burning, right? When it becomes blacker, then that indicates unburned fuel, right? So that's not a good thing. But yeah, just so you can see that spark, what creates the spark is it literally has electric, about 30,000 volts that goes through it. And see that gap there? That's a small spark, but it's a sufficient spark. Look at how far that spark has to jump. And it's so far, and there's so much corrosion and other things. It's not actually corrosion, but it's just buildup of lots of heat and fuel and all kinds of different things. But that gap is too excessive, and so it's not making a great spark. So as the engine runs, the fuel inside that cylinder is never even catching on fire, and it's indicating a miss. This will also lead to a check engine light flashing. It'll lead to lack of power, and it will actually lead to increased fuel consumption because the computer will try to overcompensate to make it run like it's supposed to, and it won't. So basically how this works is this is the coil pack. This gets the message from the computer to introduce the voltage. This is going to send about 30,000 volts. Goes down here, and that plugs in like that. And this sits inside the engine, and that's how that works. So it gives it the proper spark at the proper time. So this car's got 160,000. Like I said, it has auto lights. In my professional opinion, I don't even know that an auto light is a good enough spark plug to put in a lawnmower, let alone a vehicle. So I would not put that in my own vehicle, that's for sure. So this vehicle should have spark plugs changed about every 100,000 miles. That's going to be the recommendation. We also going to recommend an induction service with it. The induction service is going to clean up all the carbon. See the carbon that's on the end of that, all that black? And so there's carbon all inside that cylinder. Carbon used to be on the threads, so we like to do an induction service first. I don't believe we did one on this vehicle, but we like to do one on this because it burns all that carbon off the end, and then it makes the spark plugs come in and out real easy. It also cleans all that carbon off of the valves, which what you're going to notice then is improved power, improved performance, and increased fuel mileage because we're now more efficient, because we're cleaner, in addition to the new spark plugs. Spark plugs by itself isn't going to do all that. It's a combination kit. So working together, they can work just fantastic. So that's a little bit of what that looks like on a Honda Pilot. So if you drive a Honda Pilot, the other thing to know is the majority of Honda Pilots have a timing belt on them. And that can be indicated if you'll come join me right here. We can look, but see how we got a plastic cover right here. There's also an inspection hole right here where you can take a peek inside there, right? But that being said, timing belt should be changed every 100,000 miles on these. Definitely recommend that. The timing belt also drives the water pump on these. So the timing belt's going to be a water pump and a timing belt, but you definitely don't want that to snap. You can have catastrophic engine damage. caused by the engine colliding with other parts when it's not supposed to. So we're definitely going to check the history on that to see if that's ever been done. More often than not, when it's been done in the past, there will be a little sticker similar to this sticker that a technician will stick underneath the hood that'll show that that's been done, but I'm not seeing it done, so we'll check the Carfax to see if it's been done. If not, we'll let this customer know that it would be a perfect time to go ahead and get that handled before they have additional problems. So if you drive a Honda, let me know. What's your favorite color of Honda? What year Honda? I just sold my 2004 Honda Pilot a few months ago. Had 374,000 miles on it. So original engine. I think we did 4 timing belts on that thing. So all of them before we had catastrophic failure. So that's good. All right. Catch you in the next one.